So just follow Massachusetts. Pretty good. How you guys? Looks nice and toasty in that cab. You guys doing all right? Anybody need anything? You all right? All right. Yeah, I haven't had any calls yet for y'all, so everybody seems to be cooperating, staying home today, but appreciate you being ready to go in case something comes up. Yeah, I don't know if they're going to pull you forward, but it's good to have you. All right. You sure you don't need anything? All right. Thanks. Thanks. Hey, Sergeant, how are you doing?
Not too bad. How about yourself?
I'm okay. You seem came warm out here.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Rotating your folks in and out?
Yep.
You guys 12s or 8s?
So we're actually here right now, but West Virginia came back and they're on our other trucks. So
Yep.
they're trying to figure out a shift change, and
Okay.
then we're going to go from there.
All right, good. All right. Yeah, with a little luck, we won't have to call you forward at all. So far, so good, but it's a nice security blanket for the fire department to know that they call for the cavalry's on the way.
Thank you.
Yeah. You got it. Thanks, Sergeant. So it's
in like Adams Morgan.
well, it's a short run to Capital One. So we'll do it this way. Let's go over to Capital One Center. See who's down around Judiciary Square, and then we'll go north up 14th.
All right, Chinatown is next.
All right. Actually, not 14th. We'll go up. We'll go to Chinatown next. Look at these guys. You know, we're the military's first responders, so we've been doing this since Lexington and Concord, that when our communities need help, we respond, and that's everything from providing life-saving aid to just simple things like helping people get unstuck from the side of a snowbank. It's like the safest metro station in America right now.